with you guys.
Gagan, can you start with login if possible? Gagan?
Yeah.
Gagan, can you start with login? Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Just one thing, as we have confirmed, the app access is not given to anyone yet. It will come tomorrow. Do not ask questions. Do not try your number. You will get an error that your number is not registered. So please give us some time. So tomorrow morning you should be having access, as well as your number will be registered into the app. Yeah. So once you enter your number, you have to accept all the terms and conditions, and then you will get an OTP. Once you enter the OTP, you will be logged in. As long as you do not log out, your account will always be logged in into the system. If you see this entire screen, your name will be there, your runner type will be there, your runner category will be there, whether experienced runner, new runner, or kids, and your running type will also be there, which is running only or running and cycling. The first runner is basically whether it is a runner, a captain, vice captain, or referee, right? Then a runner code is there, a team code is there. So this is your number. This we assign each one of you. Explore activities is, do not go there as of now. Explore activities is where you submit your activities, you approve your activities, you approve your team activities, and below that you have the overall points table where you get your running information, cycling information, and overall information. This will give you information about your own points, your team points, and your bonus points, team's bonus point. If you go at the bottom, the home screen is this screen that you are seeing right now. The second is the leaderboard. The leaderboard will be coming up in next 10 days. As of now, it is, but we are working on it to make it more better. So we're working on it right now. On the rules section, it will have the entire rules that we have given you. So at any given point of time, you want to refer something, all of these rules are there here on the app itself. And then you have the logout screen. If you log out, you again have to put in your phone number and the OTP. Can you go back? So when you first log in into the app, you will be taken directly to the profile screen. So here under the photo, there is a small orange button, right? If you can just highlight it. Yeah, this if you click on this button, you will go into the profile editing stage. Now in this profile editing stage, you can change your email, you can date of birth. So we will pre-fill the information which we have got from your registration screen. You can add your profile picture here, and later on we will tell you to update your t-shirt size when you can do that here as well. And once you submit, the information will be saved on the app as well as in our database. Right. Now going back to submitting your activities. So on this main page, you have to click on explore activities. Here you will get on, if you click on my activity, you will get a list of all the activities that you have done till now. And when you click on add activity, you can submit a new activity. Now, if you see here on 1st of October, Gagan has submitted this one activity. And when you see 2 ticks, matlab this activity is approved by the captain as well as the referee, right? Now, within this screen, we have given this small button of plus activity, which is from here, you can directly add a new activity. Can you do that, Gagan? Yeah. Once you click on here, it will take you to the activity page. Here you have to enter a couple of details like what is the activity title, whether it's a run, you want to enter the date, where you have run, and so on. Then you select the activity date, the time at which the activity started, the kilometers that you have covered. Now someone tries to enter 2 kilometers here, and it's an experienced runner, the app will not accept it because 2 kilometers is not allowed. Once you enter 3 to 21 is what is accepted here.
Suraj, just a minute. The activity start time, we have seen cases, people just put in any time which does not match with the actual workout time. So just to, I don't know, just to save time or whatever, please try to make it as close to the workout time. It doesn't take much time. So if you have done, if your app shows the workout as 6:30 a.m., try to put it as 6:30. Many of times we have seen that they just put whatever date or whatever time is at that particular moment and leave it, and then it creates a confusion because we don't know, the app shows a different time and the screenshots shows a different time. So try to match the timings, please.
Yeah. Then you provide the activity link here so that the referee can or captain can directly click and see the activity, or you can choose to upload 2 pictures. So people have also uploaded selfies here last year. You can upload selfies, but ensure that the other images with the activity, all the details which are required from that activity. So if both the pictures cover all the details which are needed, we will go ahead and approve this activity from the captain's end and referee's end. Once you click on submit, you can see the activity has got updated, and you will see this. Click on OK. Yeah. So now if you see 2nd October activity has come. Now if you see without the tick, there is a orange color time button, right? Now this is because the activity is not approved by the captain or the referee. So now Shafiq, can you present your screen and approve this activity, please? Yeah. So once you log in again, the one sec. So here, yeah. So similar screen. Now, if you see instead of runner, you are seeing captain here, right? So captain, and he is part of the he is a kid. So while there will be different teams, here we have just merged it into one team, and his running type, the captain's running type is running and cycling. Now, if you click on explore activities, you will see there are 3 tabs. One, to add your own activity. My activity is to check whether your own activities of previous times. And the third option is only available to the captain and the vice captain, which is team activity. You can approve your activities in this team activity button. So can you click on this, please? Yeah. One point which I want to cover here is that while the runner's activity is approved by the captain and the referee, the captain's activity directly goes to the referee, because the captain cannot approve his own activity. So as soon as the captain enters the activity, it goes to the referee, and if any changes is required in captain's activity, you have to speak to the referee directly. Now, if you see here, there is only one box, right? So if you have to check this activity, the captain has to go on and click on this orange button, right? You can see this activity, you can see the link and everything. So you can approve it within here, or you can approve outside. Can you go outside, Shafiq? Yeah. And you can click on this green button, which is a tick mark, or you can reject it. If you reject it, then you have to put a reason why it has been rejected, and it will go back to the user, and that day will be opened up again. So then click on approve. So now in team activity, this line item is not appearing at all, right? So now I'll share my screen. So Dharam, once the screenshot is updated, right, it will appear on that screen where you have to approve. So now I will approve it as a referee. Okay, so now you see that I have logged in into the system for the first time. This is a trigger which comes every first of the month, that whether you want to choose running or running and cycling, right? This has to be chosen carefully. So on 1st of October, as soon as you log in into the system for the first time, you will get this option of running and cycling. You have to choose this. Whatever you choose, basis that you will be getting the points. Right, so I'm referee, but I'm getting this option, but I'm saying when you are as a runner, then it will have an impact on the point system. Now, if you see my screen, there is a tab for referee and the other thing. So this is an indicator that I can only approve the activities for this. Now, if I go and click on explore activities, I have this option of team activity. If I go into the team activity, it will show me activities which are pending to be approved. Now, again, if you see here, when Shafiq had logged in, right? He was seeing only an orange alarm clock there. But now it is showing one tick, which shows that this activity has been approved by the captain. Right? So if I click on this, I can see this entire activity. I can check the activity link. If a screenshot was updated, the screenshot would appear as a photo on this activity alone. So captain can see it here. So if I go out I click on this. If I click on rejection, I have to enter the rejection reason and then reject it. If I go ahead and approve this activity is approved and it will go from my screen. Now, can you do something, Gagan? Can you present your screen just so that we can just show that, in runners tab, now it will be showing us 2 ticks. Yeah, so now you see on October, it is appearing as 2 ticks. So the runners will always know whether their activity is approved by the referee or not. If it is one tick, मतलब captain ने approve किया है, referee ने नहीं किया है. Only once the referee has approved it, it will come as 2 ticks. ठीक है? Now we can open up for questions if any, and
So
you will
also explain point system, overall point system of running system.
Okay, so one thing, you can link this app directly to your Strava account. Gagan, can you just show your screen again, please, once? Yeah, can you go to iKTR? So there is a button below. If you see, it is mentioned as disconnect from Strava. Ideally, it will be written connect from Strava when you log in for the first time. Once you click connect on Strava, it will go into your Strava account. There you will have to enter your credentials. You will have to click link, and then whatever activities come into Strava will automatically flow here. Now, please note, if you have done a 2 kilometer, you are an experienced runner, you have done a 2 kilometer activity on Strava or 2.99 kilometers on Strava, it will never flow into iKDR. Okay? So if the activity on Strava has met all the conditions, only then that activity will flow into Strava, otherwise not. So here is where you enter and you authorize the iKDR account to be linked to Strava. Once you authorize it, all activities will start flowing directly.
Suraj, hi, this is Nikhil.
Hi, Nikhil.
The disconnect with Strava or connect with Strava, that is it there where we have to click at the
Yes,
bottom?
it is mentioned ना उसको वो नीचे वाला जो पट्टी है उसको click किया तो it will go to that screen.
I have a suggestion. Can this be placed somewhere on the top, because it is very dangerously placed very next to the phone menu buttons. It is possible that it can be very accidentally clicked by players.
Yeah,
It is
so
in a
we
very
can do
wrong
that.
position right now. I suggest mainly that it should be placed somewhere on the left top, how it was last year.
Yeah, so we will do that, but we'll have to do it as part of the next release of APK. Right now, we will have to, because this design and everything is finalized now, but we will move it.
Just a suggestion, because I thought,
yeah,
because it is very much placed to the home button and the back button. And
the only reason it is below, because that white strip or disconnect with Strava will come somewhere on your name screen, which might not be aesthetically looking good, but yeah, we will find out a different way to close that button there somewhere.
Okay.
Okay. So one thing which I want to make it very clear, this app, we have updated all the rules. The rules are complicated. If there are any teething issues, if you have been part of last year's KDR Rise, we are very prompt in addressing all your queries. If there are any bugs, we resolve the bugs ASAP. But be a bit patient with us to resolve it. It cannot be resolved in 5 minutes because we have to go back to the coding, we have to change, we have to check, we have to do UAT, and then we release it, and then it is rectified, right? So we will request that just be a bit patient. If you find any anomalies, we have tested it thoroughly over last 2-3 days after the rules were issued out, and we have tried to cover as much as possible. But there might be something which might have missed out, and we would request that for you to be just a bit patient for us to resolve them as well. We'll resolve everything, but thoda sa patience chahiye hoga. Yeah. Now we open up for questions, if any, so that then we can close for the day. Okay, I think we have clarified everything in our session, so no questions here.
Suraj, just one thing in new KDR app, like the last year, when we the app, the option will come for October running or running cycling?
Yeah.
Or is there any tab button for this?
No, it will automatically come. It will
Okay.
automatically come on 1st of November. Again, it will automatically come. So you have to, and we will multiple times inform you that this tab is going to come. You have to ensure that you inform your team to select the right option, because selecting a wrong option and again asking us to do it from the back end, we normally avoid doing anything from the back end. So just be a bit attentive during the start of the month. First day of the month when you log in, you will be asked that option.
Okay.
So it will be 1st October, 1st November, 1st December, 1st January. So,
Yeah.
so just keep that in mind.
And your experienced runner and new runner will never be changed. The only option that will change is running and cycling. Yeah. Any questions? Or we close for the day? Okay. So assume there are no further questions. So we close for the day. We will give you the recordings for this app as well. We will upload it and we will share the link either on YouTube or we will upload it on the IKDR site only, and we'll share the links with you. So in case you have any questions on how to navigate on the app, please go and first see the entire video. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, but please first go and check the video first. Okay. Thanks a lot for joining at very short notice that we had given. Thank you.
Thank you guys and all the best.
Yeah, Manu, if you can wait, I think Gaurav has asked that there are some questions from kids team separately.
Okay.
So we can just wait. Others can drop. Thank you all for joining today.
Suraj, stop recording. Huh?